Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our online classes. After a few days, we are going to start our online class. In the previous classes, you learned lesson number 4. I hope you all revised the lesson number 4. Today, I am going to teach you lesson number 9, triangles. So, all of you, open your textbook, come to lesson number 9, triangles. So, look at the board, all of you. What is this? It's a line segment. AB is a line segment. And this line segment has two end points. Two end points. A is an end point. B is an end point. AB is a line segment. Come to this. Is this a line segment? Yes, CD is also a line segment. Is this EF a line segment? Yes, EF is also a line segment. I told you a line segment has two end points. Consider this line segment. ED, CD. C is one end point, D is another end point. We have here three different line segments. One is AB, other is CD, and the third one is EF. Now, using three different line segments, I am making a plane figure. Look at this figure. Now look. Using three different line segments, I just made one plane figure. After making one plane figure, I am naming the line segments. AB is one line segment. BC is another line segment. CA is a third line segment. That means using three different line segments, I made one plane figure. You know, what is this figure known as? This plane figure is called a triangle. So you can easily define a triangle. What is a triangle? What is a triangle in previous classes? That means in previous class, I mean in 8th standard and 7th standard, you learned the definition of triangle. What is a triangle? A plane figure. Look at the board. A plane figure bounded by three straight line segments. Three straight line segments is called a triangle. A plane figure, it's a plane figure bounded by closed figure. Bounded by means closed by. It's a closed figure. Three straight line segments is called a triangle. Now consider this triangle ABC. What is this point A called? You know it. This A is a vertex. This is vertex. Likewise, B is also a vertex. C is also a vertex. A is a vertex. B is a vertex. C is also a vertex. Then A, B and C are vertices. Vertices of triangle ABC. A, B and C are vertices of triangle ABC. Vertices. This word is plural form of vertex. A is a vertex. Vertex is a singular word. But vertices is plural form of vertex. A is a vertex. B is another vertex. C is the third vertex of this triangle. A, B and C are vertices of triangle ABC. Now I think you understood what is meant by vertex. Vertex, this one. Here this is. And here is C. So A, B and C are vertices of triangle ABC. And likewise we have three sides. AB is one side of this triangle. BC is also one of the sides. And CA is also a side of this triangle. So you can answer how many sides are there in a triangle? There are three sides. One is AB, other is BC, and third is CA. AB is equal to BA. Both are equal. Both are same length. AB is equal to BA. So AB is one side, BC is the second side, and third side is here CA. AB, BC and CA are sides of triangle. AB, BC and CA are sides of triangle ABC. AB, BC and CA are sides of triangle ABC. So ABC is a triangle. You learned definition of triangle ABC, that is a plane figure bounded by three straight line segments is called a triangle. A triangle has three vertices and three sides. When you consider this triangle ABC, A, B and C are vertices of triangle ABC, and AB, BC and CA are sides of triangle ABC. Now, relation between sides and angles of a triangle. Relation between sides and angles of a triangle. Point number 1. Look at the board very carefully. If all the sides of a triangle are of different lengths, comma, its angles are also of different measures, in such a way that the greater side has greater angle opposite to it. Look at the point. All the sides of a triangle are of different lengths. All sides are different lengths. Angles are also of different measures. Then greater side has greater angle opposite it. Consider this triangle ABC. ABC is a triangle. In this triangle ABC, AC is the longest side. BC and AB are smaller than sides AC. But when you look at this triangle ABC, it is clear to you AC is greater than BC, greater than AB. That is, AB is the smallest side, AC is the greatest side. BC lies between smallest and the greatest. That is, once more, AC is greater than BC, which is greater than AB. From this AC is the greatest side, AB is the smallest side. This implies AB is not equal to BC is not equal to AB. Sorry, this AC is not equal to BC is not equal to AB. In other words, we can say these sides are of different lengths. AC is not equal to BC, which is not equal to AB. Now let us think about the angles of this triangle. Angles are of different measures. Here, angle A is not equal to angle B, which is not equal to angle C. If all the sides of a triangle are of different lengths, we have written this point, AC is not equal to BC, which is not equal to AB. Its angles are also of different measures. Angle A is not equal to angle B, is not equal to angle C. In such a way that the greater side has, which is the greater side? This is AC. When you consider these three sides, AC is the greatest side. Greater side has greater angle opposite it. That is, if AC is the greater side, the angle opposite to AC, that is angle B, this angle. If AC is the greater side, angle opposite to this greater side is angle B. Angle B is the greater angle. I think you understood the point. Once more, greater side has greater angle opposite to it. If AC is greater side, then angle B is greater angle. This is the point. Here in this triangle ABC, AC is the greater, therefore angle B is greater angle. So we can say, if all the sides of a triangle are of different lengths, its angles are also of different measures, in such a way that the greater side has greater angle opposite to it. Once more I repeat, in triangle ABC, AC is not equal to AB, which is not equal to BC. And here AC is the greatest side. And angle, when you consider the angles of this same triangle, angle A is not equal to angle B, is not equal to angle C. Now according to the statement, greater side has greater angle opposite to it. AC is the greater side, therefore angle B is the greater angle. Dear students, let us conclude today. We will continue tomorrow.